the portfolio, inventory, and timeline. So the goal of this assignment is basically to develop an inventory of your work. You want to look for the work that potentially could fit in your portfolio. By building an inventory in a spreadsheet, you're able to put your work into a format that will enable you to share it with your peers, with instructors, with professionals, to try to get some advice. Does it belong in the portfolio or not? So hopefully this process will help you see your work more objectively. So what you're going to do is build a spreadsheet. You're going to put a thumbnail of the piece on the spreadsheet, very small, doesn't have to be identifiable with all the details. Then you want to figure out what the function is. So what function does this piece serve in your portfolio? Rework is for your notes if any rework is necessary. If there is no rework necessary, then you should state that as well. And then give it a rating, whether you think this is a definite portfolio piece, a possible portfolio piece, or slight chance that it will make the portfolio. Production notes state steps that are necessary. And you want to make sure that you're giving a lot of detail here. And it's detail to yourself on what needs to be done with this piece. The timeline goals, again, thinking from the end and kind of moving to now, what's my timeline for production? All right, so you've determined when you should have your portfolio complete. Well, then when does this piece have to be perfect? When will it land in the portfolio? So this is a piece that's very fluid. Your portfolio inventory will probably change throughout the semester. In fact, it should. What you've determined today may not be the best piece in 4 weeks from now. So this is something that you'll continue to update. If you've made some significant changes, go ahead and update it. So this is something that you may want to look at every week, every other week, just to make sure that you're keeping on track for the proper completion of your portfolio. How many pieces should go into this inventory? At the moment, you may not be able to find 10. And again, this course is really fluid. And so if you only have a few in there, continue to update it. What might happen is your grade may update as you continue to update it, or put a note in there that says, not quite done yet. We'll plan to update in a week. We'll plan to update in 2 weeks. And so I know that. So this course really doesn't have an end date other than the completion of the semester. You want all the work in the class done by the completion of the semester. So again, you're giving yourself your own timeline. Other classes have pretty strict schedules. This course, it's really up to you. Keep yourself organized, keep yourself on task, and get all the work done by the end of the semester.